Hello everyone. In this video, we are here to discuss the topic of utmost important safety in electrical installation. Our focus is not only on protecting the life of those working with electricity, but also safeguard our environment. So let's delve into the critical subject. Let's start with our first topic in this video, which is a safety precaution. We'll begin with safety precaution. When working with electricity, there are several measures to follow. Always First, always de-energize the electrical circuit before working on it. Regular inspect equipment and wire for damage. Follow established procedure when working with electricity. Utilize appropriate tool for the job at hand. Keep the work area clean and organized to minimize the risk. Do not overload circuit. It can lead to overheating and a potential accident. Be cautious of flammable material and gases in the vicinity. And next, we are going to the safety signs. Recognize and adhering to the safety sign is a fundamental in any electrical installation environment. These signs communicate potential danger and provide essential information to keep you and your colleagues safe. As a safety ethic in any electrical installation, workshop, or job site, safety ethics are not just rules to follow. They are a foundation of a strong safety culture. Safety ethics encompass several important principles as communication. Effective communication about potential hazards, safety protocol, and incident reporting is essential. Everyone must be aware of the risks involved in the task and know how to address them. Responsibility. Each individual working in electrical installation share the responsibility for their safety and the safety of their colleagues. Safety is a collective effort. Adherence to the protocol. Strict adherence to established safety procedure and guidelines is non-negotiable. These protocols are designed to keep everyone safe. And we're going and then our next topic is appropriate PPE and safety. Personal protective equipment (PPE). Let's take a closer at the vital aspect of appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE) and practice safety ethics in electrical installation. When we talk about PPE, we mean use the right protective gear and clothing are necessary for tasks at hand. These include items such as insulated glove, safety glass, hard hat, flame-resistant clothing, safety boot, and more. The choice of PPE depends on the specific hazard you face during your work. In the world of electrical installation, pro- personal protective equipment or PPE is your first line of defense. Let's look at some practice example. Insulated glove. When working on live electric circuit, insulated gloves are essential. They protect you from electrical shock and prevent direct contact with a live wire. Safety glass. These are must when dealing with potential flying debris, spark or chemical splash that can occur during electrical work. They safeguard your eye from harm. Safety boot. Insulated steel toed safety boot protect your feet from electrical hazard, sharp objects or heavy equipment. Hard hat in a situation where there are risks of falling objects or overhead hazard, such as obstruction site or while installed in electrical system. Hard hats protect your head from potential impact. Now, for the environmental sustainability application. As we conclude, let's explore some method and tool that employ to promote environmental sustainability in electrical installation, along with specific example of tool. Use of LED lighting. LED lighting is an energy-effective alternative to the traditional lighting. It consumes significantly less electricity, lasts longer, and reduces the carbon footprint of electrical. Use sustainable building material in electrical installation such as recycle or eco-friendly component. Reduce the environment impact. Tool and material. Recycle wiring and cabling. Recycle practice. Implement recycle program on job site. Ensure the waste material are disposed or of responsibility and can be repurposed. Further reduce an environment footprint. Tool and practice recycle bin and container for various maritable purpose proper dispose method of hazard waste. And that is all from me. Thank you.